Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to cancel an order and get a refund on the Goat app. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So in order to cancel an order on the Go app, the first thing that you're going to need to do is open up the app and then log into your account. Now you want to check if your order hasn't been shipped yet, otherwise it's going to be more complicated to cancel and get a refund. So check your order status. You want to press onto profile on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you're going to face this menu. Next you want to press onto the orders option, which is the last one on this menu, and here you can see your current orders. So if you find that the order hasn't been shipped yet, you should see a cancel button right next to it, and once you press this, it's going to cancel the order and the refund will be sent back to your account. If the order has been shipped, then cancelling and getting a refund isn't guaranteed, but something that you can try. Come back to this screen and press onto the settings option at the top left hand corner. And then from here you want to scroll down and come to the support section, then press onto support and then press onto contact us in the top right hand corner. Press on new requests in the top right hand corner and you'll come up with this form. So what you should do now is complete this form. Make sure to include a valid reason of why you really want to cancel the order in the description. For example, you could say that you ordered this item by mistake and this wasn't the original item that you were after. So if the Go app team accepts, then they'll cancel the order. However, they will ask you to return the order back so they can give you a refund. However, the chances of getting a refund after shipping can be quite hard, but you can try this method and see if it can work for you. So that's it. That's how to cancel an order and get a refund on the Go app. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.